Hello friends, welcome to my fourth lecture on C++ tutorial. So today we will learn about the mathematical expressions, mathematical operators, simple algebraic operations. So we will do that. So for that, in my last lecture I have shown you the different data types, that integer, float, boolean, string and all. So today I will teach you how to do mathematical operations with these variables. So for that, let me make a file, C++ file, that is math underscore alg.cc. So here let me just copy this code, previous code, and let me just let me copy this code, and yeah, now just see out, let me just define two numbers. Okay, so one is let's say double A and double B. Okay, so now another variable is double C, which is equals to A plus B, and it will show you the addition of these two numbers, and you can just print it out, that addition C enter. Okay, even you don't need to do in this way, even you can just do it directly, addition 2 let's say, and addition 1. So here you can just write it like this, A plus B enter. So now if you just run this code, you can see that both will give you the same result, that 11.3. 7.3 plus 4 is equals to 11.3. so you can see that you can just store it in different variable, or you can just directly write this A plus B. So plus is the addition operation. So similarly you can do the subtraction, division and multiplication also. So for that you have to write like this. So let me just delete these two lines. This is unnecessary addition. Then let me write the subtraction from A to A subtracted, B is subtracted from A. Okay, so now this should be the result, and then let me just multiplication. So multiplication is equals to A star B enter. Okay, and then see out division. So division is B by A, or A by B, let's say A by B. Okay, so just let treat A as the first variable and B is the second variable, and then just maybe can just run it. Then we can see that addition is 11.3, subtraction is 4 minus 7.3 is equals to minus 3.3, multiplication is 29.2, division is 0.547945. so in this way we can just do our mathematical expressions and mathematical operations, that like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and that's all. So for today this is done, and thanks for watching my video, and subscribe.